How to make best curry mushrooms. These right. And we're gonna smoke paprika. Right. We're gonna start to get that warmed up, and then let it just. Oh my god. Look how beautiful is this. You know, wouldn't you guys want to produce this by yourself? We're gonna finish off this video by making some fried cauliflower wings for you guys. So let's wash up. We're gonna wash our hands and start prepping what's gonna be cooked today. All right, we're gonna make some cauliflower wings. So I'm actually gonna start on this. Tristan, what do you wanna make? You wanna make some curry mushrooms? All right, he's gonna make some curry mushrooms right now. And our sous chef is gonna start chopping up. I'm going to work on the batter for the cauliflower. And I'm gonna probably throw in some mushrooms in the fryer too. We got our deep fryer right here. Oh, and it's got fresh oil ready to go. So we're gonna start to get that warmed up. What's that background for?
Curry mushroom.
Oh, you're gonna start the curry mushrooms in there. Ooh, all right, so we put some warm there for you?
Yeah.
All right, so what do we got? Curry mushrooms you're gonna do over there, the quinoa, and we're gonna get some fried. And we're gonna let that cook up, and we're gonna add the quinoa today, some thyme and some more stuffy stuff. I'm gonna make like some veggies, I guess. Some string beans and purple cabbage. I put 2 cups. You guys ever seen purple scallions before? Look at that. That's a beauty. You know, in nature, purple carries antioxidants, phytonutrients. That's a telltale sign. All right, we got the spelt flour there. We're gonna start mixing this up and flavoring up our flour. I like to measure everything. You saw this was 2 cups. Now I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika to give that smoky flavor and that red color to it. We're gonna put 1 scoop. I normally put oregano, but this time I'm gonna put dill. 1 tablespoon of dill. And I'm going to go with 2 tablespoons of, or a hefty tablespoon of onion powder right there. And then we got some pink Himalayan salt. We're gonna throw 1 scoop of that and a little tips thing.
Vital Michael prepares a meal while his cameraman watch and starve.
Oh yeah, you guys didn't even get to eat yet. What's going on?
Let's take a look.
Cover north.
Alright, so I'm gonna take some of this coconut milk that Tristan made. Alright, this is a little secret. I'll show y'all some. So I got the coconut milk in here, right? And then I'm going to actually add flour. The seasoned flour we just had. I'm gonna add a few scoops to this milk. Alright? And we are gonna whip this up and see what color this turns. So we got this right here. Should give you a nice, like, little reddish color. Once all done. Gonna need a little more milk. I don't want to finish this milk, so I'm gonna use some water.
Yeah, the festival.
Okay. So this is prepped. That's prepped for our cauliflower. I actually forgot to start a pot with some boiling water so I can boil the cauliflower first and then fry it. But maybe I won't do that this time. I have a little secret, another little secret I could do. So what I do, this is like my base. So this is like you drop it into like an egg if you were making chicken or something. But this is just normal flour and coconut milk. So we'll drop that in there. Do this one. So because I didn't boil these first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop this in for like 2 minutes or less. And then let it just sit at the top and kind of steam for about 2-3 minutes before I give it a final drop and fry. But yeah, you know, this is gonna be dinner tonight. So, or
Get this man some curry powder, please.
Some salt.
Not today, you guys could have got some good food out there.
Yeah, can get the cauliflower. Coconut oil as well.
Look at this, get that shot. This is the money shot. Boy! Look at that right there. Yeah. Set for the veggies right there. We're gonna just throw in some string beans and cabbage. Letting them steam a little bit since I didn't get to boil them. Buffalo sauce, you know? We could have made it look prettier in the thing, but you know.
Oh, nice.
Then we're gonna drop a little cauliflower right there. So this is the cauliflower that we harvested earlier from the garden, and we now fry them up as you guys can see. And let's place them over here for a little visual for you guys. Nice little visual. Look at that. So that's our fresh, natural cauliflower wings made fresh out the garden, you know, cooked in coconut oil, and a nice buffalo sauce right here. Hear a crunch in that?
Quinoa.
Yo!
Some quinoa there.
I'm gonna eat those with my quinoa and curry mushroom. Woo! We got the greens in here. So I'm gonna just throw the rest of the stuff in here right now. You know, this is fire. This is an ancient green along with like teff, amaranth, fonio. Those are all natural greens that's not been hybridized and, you know, produced the way it has been over the last couple of ages. Oh my God. Yo. Get the cauliflower. There's the sauce in your finger first. Dip it in there if you like it. Make sure you rub it in there. You gotta get the sauce spread out.
Right.
It's good, right?
Right.
Yeah. And that's fresh out of our garden. We produced this right there. We produced that. We grew that. We took care of that right from seed to fruit. I need some more though. I don't know. Man. Go. Alright.
Yes, it is.
Here, you gotta try this sauce. Come on. Dip it in here, dip it in here. Go ahead, move that around right there. Get his face, just try that. That's a lot of sauce, but try it. Fool you, boy, man.
We'll try one more.
But I need to fry some more stuff up. Adding some seasoning to the veggies, the final parts, and some onion powder. Get that up in there. And with the salt at? We're going to sprinkle that right there. Bang. Oh, I'm gonna throw a little dill in there. Y'all cook with dill? Wow. That's in the special sauce. Get this mix up right here. Look at that flavor. Oh my God. You see that? You already know how this is gonna be. So we're gonna throw a little bit of water on that, and we're gonna turn the flame down, and we're gonna let that steam out for the next 20-30 minutes, along with the quinoa. And that's it, folks. Curry mushroom, buffalo, cauliflower fresh from the garden, quinoa cooked down in coconut milk with the pimento seeds and the flavor. Yo, this guy, you see how he cooks? See how he let the coconut milk simmer down for like 30 minutes before you even add the quinoa? Oh man. The coconut milk and the curry. He's added it multiple times in there throughout the cooking. The vegetables at the end. I mean, I learned a lot today. So thank you guys for coming into the Vinyl Kitchen. Hope you guys enjoyed so far. Yeah. We're at the final phase right now. So big up to our sous chef, big up to the head chef, you know, and yeah. Unity, one love, happiness, joy. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell. All right? We love y'all. Love, love, love.